Squirrel monkeys belong to the Samurai genus of New World monkeys. The Samurai subfamily has just one genus, Samurai. The genus name comes from the Tupi language and was also employed by early scholars as an English term. Squirrel monkeys reside in the canopy layer of tropical forests in Central and South America. In the Amazon, most species have parapatric or allopatric distributions, whereas S. ursidii is only found in Costa Rica and Panama. Squirrel monkeys are divided into two distinct groups. The contour of the white coloring over the eyes helps to distinguish them. There are a total of 5 species that have been identified. Squirrel monkeys have black fur at the shoulders, yellow or orange fur down the back and limbs, and white fur on the face. Squirrel monkeys have established mating seasons, which are marked by substantial hormonal changes and signs of sexual dimorphism in males. The palms of their hands and feet are the only places where squirrel monkeys may sweat. This may cause their hands and feet to feel moist to the touch. Other thermoregulation mechanisms used by squirrel monkeys include behavioral changes and urine washing. These monkeys live in high temperature, high humidity environments. Therefore, maintaining correct osmoregulation is critical if circumstances exceed specific thresholds. Squirrel monkeys' color vision has also been studied in order to have a better understanding of human vision problems. Squirrel monkeys are frequently taken for the pet trade as well as medical research. However, it is not in danger. The IUCN has classified 2 squirrel monkey species as endangered, the Central American squirrel monkey and the black squirrel monkey. The fur of a squirrel monkey is short and tight, with black shoulders and reddish-orange back and extremities. The tops of their heads are covered in hair. In some Germanic languages, example German Totenkopfaffen, Swedish Dödskalleper, Dutch Dödshoofdopjes, and Slovenian languages, example German Totenkopfaffen, Swedish Dödskalleper, Dutch Dödshoofdopjes, they are known as death's head monkeys. Squirrel monkeys have a body length of 25 to 35 centimeters, 9.8 to 13.8 in, and a tail length of 35 to 42 centimeters, 14 to 17 in. Squirrel monkey males weigh between 750 and 1,100 grams, 26 to 39 ounces. Females range in weight from 500 to 750 grams, 18 to 26 ounces. Long, hairy tails, flat nails, and pointed claws are found on both males and females. Female squirrel monkeys have pseudopenises that they utilize to show dominance over lesser monkeys, just like male squirrel monkeys do. Squirrel monkeys, like most of their New World monkey relatives, are diurnal and arboreal. Their tail, unlike those of other New World monkeys, is utilized as a form of balance pole. As well as a tool, they can travel quickly through the branches. Squirrel monkeys live in groups of up to 500 people that are made up of males and females. These enormous groupings, on the other hand, can split up into smaller groups on occasion. The groups use a variety of vocalizations, including warning cries to defend themselves from huge falcons, who are a natural hazard. Because of their tiny size, they are vulnerable to predators like snakes and felids. Squirrel monkeys use their own urine to mark territory by rubbing it on their tails and skin. Squirrel monkeys are little monkeys that live in trees. Squirrel monkey mating is influenced by the seasons. Female squirrel monkeys attain sexual maturity at the age of 2 to 2.5 years, whereas males reach sexual maturity at the age of 3.5 to 4 years. Females give birth to offspring following a 150 to 170 day gestation period during the rainy season. Only moms look after their children. Weaning begins at 4 months for Samurai urstedi and continues until 18 months for Samurai boliviensis. In the wild, squirrel monkeys live to be approximately 15 years old, and in captivity, they may live for almost 20 years. Menopause strikes most women in their mid-20s. 22 according to research, Samurai coincide time the weaning of their young with the maximum amount of fruit available in the habitat. This lessens the energy challenges that freshly weaned juveniles will have as they transition from a milk diet in which they are completely reliant on their mothers for nourishment to a more varied diet in which they must search for food. 23 During the mating season, squirrel monkeys have been seen to exhibit sexual dimorphism. Sexually mature adult males have been seen to grow significantly in size relative to females in the months leading up to breeding and during breeding. Seasonal variations in androgen induce these changes in size. Increases in testosterone, androstenedione, and dehydroepiandrosterone levels in sexually mature men throughout the mating season, with a peak in January, are among the changes. These androgen concentrations decline after the mating season. The evolutionary basis for these size variations in sexually mature males is thought to be both intrasexual and female choice selection, since larger males are more likely to be selected by females and indulge in more copulations. Although there is no conclusive evidence as to why females prefer larger males, one popular theory is that larger males are more likely to be more protective of their offspring.